Well, I've got myself dinner and this trip is off to a great start. Look at this. Check it out. Those are moose bones right there. That looks like a big wolf dookie. See all the hair in it? Oh, there's more wolf poop. Wolves probably patrol this trail looking for food. Sure, there's a lot of poo on it. Yeah, this looks like a decent spot to make camp. Oh. Carried this big old heavy tripod all the way here and I forgot the adapter, so can't use it. I have forgotten so much stuff. I feel so half-cocked today. I forgot to bring paracord and I